All right, so I'm starting with the version of Zool that I got from you at 5:24 p.m. yesterday. Let's see, so this has some problem with the player class. So I don't know if you sent me the your latest and greatest, but I'm just going to work off of this one because we're kind of short on time, and I want to try and help you get through as much as we can here. So if I compile, it looks like this look method got started but not finished. So I will just close it up with nothing in it for right now. And this warning here that you see it's in the items.java class. Typically with these, with those unchecked stuff, what I've been seeing a lot of in some of the code that's floating around does not use the generics that the latest, well, more recent versions of Java use. So let's see, this is a string of items, right? So basically, you want to, if you stick in your generics like this, you can, and actually here you can just use the diamond notation because we've already established that we have strings of items. Then you can avoid a lot of this casting stuff. So let me just show you. If we compile here, what I would do actually, another thing you can do, you'll see a lot of times is do the initialization in the constructor. You see it both ways, but I'm just putting that in to show you. So you should be able to get rid of these casts here now because now we've established in the declaration here that the values of the hash map are items, so we don't have to cast these things to items anymore. Let's just compile it. Yeah, that's okay. And in the in your iterator, you'll want to also, iterators are generics now too, so you'll want to make this be an iterator with items in it, and that way you don't need this cast. If you can get rid of this parentheses too, let's see. Yeah, that works. And here. So yeah, this is the preferred way to do it now, and it just because that casting syntax gets kind of yucky. It's just easier to follow, I think, this way. What did I do? Oh, I put this in the wrong place. Oh. All right, so yeah, so that gets rid of that warning message. Okay, so now we're good. So all right, so I think what I'll do then is just start kind of plugging through. It looks like, okay, you fixed the null error because you needed an else statement in the can pickup class. So what was that about? That's raised when you go to the pub and try to take the red book. So let's see what happens when we go to the pub and try to take the red book. All right, so the pub, how do we get to the pub? So we start, we're starting outside, and we go west to get to the pub. All right, so go here, behind, we go west, and we have the red book. Oh, how do we pick up the book? What's the... Any red book? Oh, okay, we're just using book for the name, but good. Okay. So, take book. Picked up a red book. Woohoo! Okay, great. Okay, cool. So, I guess what I'll do then is start looking through. Yeah, so we need to implement book and all look and all this other stuff. So, yeah, so I'll start. I'll send you some more video to help you on some of this other stuff, and maybe we can get closer to the end that way. And then, yeah, I'm here to help you. So, I really want you to be successful in this class. So whenever you have questions about anything, just go ahead and ask. You don't get points off for, for not knowing this stuff. You're not supposed to know this stuff, coming into the class, right? So, ask me questions anytime. And like I said, I'm gonna start sending you some videos to help with. I'll make some more videos to help with some of this other stuff.